Okay, now it's time for the heart of this exercise. This exercise number 3 is where it really starts getting interesting. This is where some of the more intermediate players will benefit a lot from working on their phrasing. Now, you just see 2 notes tabbed in example 3. Those 2 notes are the 3rd string at the 5th fret and the 4th string at the 7th fret. Now, we're going to treat those 2 notes as a thematic phrase, okay? That means we're going to repeat it, like a vocal phrase is often repeated, especially in blues. And we're going to repeat this every 2 bars. And if you're not sure where that stands in the 12-bar format, please go ahead and download the PDF, and there's a diagram of where the theme is supposed to go. So go ahead and download that if you need to look at that. And so basically we're going to play this at the top of every 2 bars. And this is like, this thematic phrase is going to unify our solo. It's like giving a speech with an actual topic instead of having a non sequitur speech with no topic. And so this is basically the storyline to our solo. So we're going to come back to this and repeat it. This is going to help. This is going to help tie it together. This is going to be like the glue for our solo. And especially, you know, if you're unable to really shred and play fast and have a lot of really super impressive technique, being able to play a really nice, concise, melodic solo is important. So what we're going to do is play this every 2 bars. So let's just get the theme placement first. Okay, so there's a big space in here. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's basically where the theme is going to fall, at the top of every 2 bars. Now, after you've got the theme placement down, what you're going to do is you're going to fill in the space that's left. When you play the fill, you're only going to use the notes given in the first example. That means these notes. You may bend those notes. You may play them in any order that you want. You can use any of the articulations that we talked about before. But don't use any other notes. I'm trying to keep you just focused on a very small note group so you're creative with your phrasing and not, you know, carried away with trying to play your whole scale pattern. Because realistically, some of the best solos that are taken are only taken on a few notes. So let's go ahead and fill in that space now. So I'm going to keep the theme happening every 2 bars, and then what I'm going to do is fill in between with the notes given in example 1. Okay, so that was exercise number 3. Okay, here we go with the last example, exercise number 4. So again, we're going to be playing a theme every 2 bars, and we're going to fill in between it, just like we did in example 3. So I'm going to go ahead and play the theme every 2 bars just so you get the hang of where the theme is supposed to go. And then I'm going to play it again and fill in between. Okay, so here we go with just the theme. last example on the page, number 4. I hope this blues soloing exercise has been helpful to you, and if you're interested in more of these exercises, please contact me at my website, starlinermusic.net. Thank you.